Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. Today we will design a certificate using Microsoft Word. So let's start. First you have to change the page setting. Change the size of the shape in A4 size and in landscape form. Adjust the page boundary in normal. Now you have to insert a rectangle shape. Insert it by using the cursor and color it by selecting the option shape fill and fill the color with gradient as it will give a shady look. Here I am filling the shape in golden color. You can change the shape according to your choice. After coloring the shape, now you have to select a rhombus type shape. Adjust it with the help of the cursor and fill the shape with white in color. After the color, now you have to draw a strip. As we don't have any strip kind shape, draw a rectangle shape and adjust it as a strip. Color it with black. After filling its shape, now you have to center it backward. For further designing, now you have to select a shape, something like that. It is a parallel shape, I guess so. Give this parallel shape as a design by tapping on insert option and click on edit point. I rotate this design with the help of the cursor and adjust it like this. Now fill the color of the design similar as your certificate's color. Now click on this image and then click on grouped and border like outline appear of the design. Now you have to add this similar design on another side. Press Ctrl C for copying it and then Ctrl V for pasting it and adjust it on another side with the help of the cursor. Like this. Now you have to insert a shape similar to ribbon. Place the design in middle as giving it appearance like a ribbon. Now give this shape a color in golden just like you did before. Now you have to add a small circle in the mid of this design shape ribbon, as you can see, and fill the circle in black in color. For writing anything above the certificate, you have to take a text box and write on it. You can find this text box easily in the shape options. After writing the text, center align it. Now change the text style into New Roman writing. Now writing anything above the ribbon, you have to take text box again and place it above the ribbon and write award 2023 on it. Now fill the text box background with black color and the text written on it with white color. Adjust the text with the help of the cursor. Now you have to draw a ribbon for further designing. Insert a shape giving ribbon appearance. Fill this shape color into golden just like you did before by adjusting its transparency and giving it a gradient look. Now insert an arrow shape by clicking on the option shapes. Draw it and adjust its length with the help of the cursor. Place this arrow on its position and change its color similar to the ribbon. Now for adding similar strip, you have press Ctrl C for copying it and Ctrl V for placing it on its position. Send backward this arrow by clicking on the option Send Backward. Now change the font size and style And finally, your certificate is ready. Thanks for watching. If you liked my video, click on the like icon and subscribe my channel for further updates.